Assalamu alaikum. We are making orange ice cream today. For that I'm using tangerines. So we're gonna start off by squeezing our orange juice out. Here we are adding 400 ml heavy whipping cream, or it's called heavy cream, some people call it different names. So we're going to mix this for 1 minute or until it's so we whipped it for 1 minute. It's gone a bit fluffy. Now we'll add 1 cup of condensed milk and we'll mix it again for another 1 minute or so. Now we'll add 1 cup of orange juice and mix it. And here we have half a teaspoon orange color, and we'll add 1 teaspoon orange flavor or orange essence. And we're just going to mix it. Now we're going to add this mixture into an airtight container, or whichever container you want to. I'm adding in this one. All that mixture out, and I'm just gonna drizzle it. I added a little bit more orange color into it just to give a nice color. Now we'll so I'm adding a little bit of orange zest. That's totally optional if you guys want to. Now we're gonna leave this overnight in the freezer, or if you guys got ice cream maker, you can just make it straight into your yummy ice cream. So we'll leave it in the freezer overnight. See you after. We left our ice cream in the freezer overnight, and now we'll leave it on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll serve it. Now we left it outside for 15 minutes. Let's serve our yummy ice cream. Here we have our yummy ice cream. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.